Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming connectivity and avoiding assumptions. First, check Wi-Fi or Ethernet status and open any other site. If others load, Google-specific fixes follow. Next, power cycle the router and modem, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart your computer or phone. Once done, try Google again right away. If it still fails, switch to another device or use mobile data to determine whether the issue is on your network or only this device. Now you tackle DNS and browser layers where most failures hide. Flush the DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac, use sudo dscacheutil flushcache and sudo killall hupm DNS responder. Then set your DNS temporarily to Google's 8.4 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1 to rule out resolver issues. Next, disable browser extensions and clear cache. Open an incognito window to check if an extension or corrupted cache caused the block. Make sure to retest after each change. To finish, perform final resets and escalate if necessary. Reset or reinstall your browser and reset network settings on your device to default. This removes persistent misconfigurations. Inspect the host's file for entries blocking Google and disable proxy or VPN services. Also verify firewall and parental controls. If Google remains unreachable, contact your ISP with test results and timestamps, and use an alternate search provider or device in the meantime. One key troubleshooting tip: log exact errors and times. Providers need that diagnostic data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.